Hello friends, welcome back to Treyankush Learning Channel. Today we will see about unity in diversity quotes in English. So let's start. First, our ability to reach unity in diversity will be the beauty and the test of our civilization. Second, we may have different religions, different languages, different colored skin, but we all belong to one human race. Third, peace is not unity in similarity but unity in diversity, in the comparison and conciliation of differences. Fourth, this is my country, that is your country. These are the conception of narrow souls. To the liberal minded, the whole world is a family. Fifth, we can never work alone to bring great multiplication. It has to happen through unity and diversity. Sixth, our most basic common link is that we all inhabit this planet. We all breathe the same air. We all cherish our children's future and we all are mortal. Seventh, we are a gentle, angry people. We are a land of many colors. We are a peaceful, loving people and we are singing for our lives. Eighth, it is time for parents to teach young people early on that in diversity there is beauty and there is strength. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.